Hello, Paul here. I'm going to give you a quick introduction to YouTube's new customization settings for your homepage on your YouTube channel. A lot of people don't tend to change it, but they've just made it really easy to do. So today's the 4th of October. I've only just recently seen this as a change, but a lot of people's homepages aren't set up. This is probably, I've just started Happy Me Music. This is probably the default where you just get your uploads. But you can obviously see on other people's pages lots of other things going off. So if I go to, I don't know, let's go KSI's page, right? Let's go KSI. And have a look at the home page. You're going to see, if you get rid of that, you're going to see a trailer. Obviously videos, I shouldn't have clicked on that. You're going to see a header image and links to social networks that you want to share with. Underneath, they've actually put it into separate sections: music videos, uploads, and then playlists, right? So they've got 3 basically, and then some featured channels. But this is how different it is for setup. So let's go and change mine to look something like that as well. So at the moment, uploads, this is actually a plugin. This is a vidIQ, or this might be TubeBuddy plugin. You won't see that. That's up here, this thing at the top. But you're going to come and just go Customise Channel. So if you don't have any channel art, you won't see your links either. But we're going to talk through that. So Customise Channel. At the minute, we can see it's just the uploaded videos. Tottenham just scored, it's 3-1. And so you see here, uploaded videos. That's all we're seeing, right? So the channel trailer, we want one of these videos to be a channel trailer. So this is for, you've got 2 different people coming to your homepage. Basically, people who are not subscribed and people who are subscribed, right? So for the non-subscriber, you want a trailer. Now, I don't have a video that's a trailer for this Happy Me Music, but if it's like a 30-second to a minute trailer explaining what your channel's about, you can just click add. Here, look, add, and then select which video. So upload your video as a YouTube video and then add it as a trailer. So we'll just go with this one. I pick this video. So new subscribers will now see that. So if we publish it, then go to the channel, you now see that you've got this trailer, right? I don't know if you can hear that. Now you've got your trailer, right? So that's added. So now what about people that are already subscribed, getting a returning view? This can be like something more that you want to tell people about. What do you want to tell them about that they might have missed? Or what do you want to, what are we saying here? What would it's like a second intro to you, but this might be something you change regularly. This might be your latest news video. This might be what's coming up this month video for your current subscribers. So we're going to pick this one. So yeah, so the first one is people don't know who you are. That's your trailer. The second one is your featured video. Might just be something upcoming, some updates that you want to give people, and you just add that, then publish it, right? So quite easy, a lot easier than it used to be. I'm not sure. We can't view this as a subscriber. I don't know if there's an option to do that anymore. There used to be view as a subscriber, but you would see if they were already subscribed that it would come up with that second video. So we could, in theory, so here's the first video, music by, is the trailer. And if I switch my account to my main account you're watching on now, here's the returning visitor video. Here's that second one, because I'm already subscribed, right? So it shows to a subscriber, somebody's already subscribed, it's going to give that featured video. Right, so let's populate this part now. So maybe the first one you want to leave as uploads, maybe the second one I would think of like your most popular videos, and then you might want to add some playlists and stuff. I need to switch back to the account I'm on. So we're going to make this a little bit more interesting down here. So here's your uploads. I think you probably change it, or you can just remove uploads. I think uploads is a basic latest videos type thing. Add a section. Popular uploads, put it in here. So the videos that you've had the most views on would go into that section. Add a section, maybe a single playlist. Song of the day, I've only got one, so I'll do this copyright-free music. Maybe subscriptions, anybody you subscribe to. Put in there. So now you've made that a little bit more information on there. So when we refresh this, we're going to have a few more different columns here. So it's helping people to navigate through. Obviously, I haven't got many popular because I've only just relaunched this. I must still be that video. I need to move it. But then you would have copyright. So this is a playlist. You might want a list of all your playlists. So this is what people are going, all right, so come to Happy Bee Music. These are the songs that are copyright free that anybody else can use in their creations. Here's the subscribers. And you do that and you can tinker with it and you can move them around. If I want to put this up here saying, if I think the copyright songs are the most important, I can just drag it up, and then that will bump it to the top of the page. So now the top one is copyright free music. And I'm going to get rid of this popular because it doesn't make sense at the minute, and publish it. So now what we want to add though is a header, art, and then some custom links to like your Instagram and your Facebook and your contact page or website, stuff like that, right? So again, we're going to go back into the customizer. I just press that button, right? To get there, you just press this. That brings you to that page. Tottenham have scored again. It's now Man United 1, Tottenham 4. Branding. So I go branding. This is whatever logo you want in the bottom corner. So if you want to change that, you might want to put a button that just says subscribe, but you might put your logo there and it pops up in the corner after everything is being played. So that plays there. And you can, that's this one. This is this profile picture. This is where you add that. And you can say, put it at the start or entire video. And then upload channel art. And it has to be this size, right? So I've got a picture that I've just quickly created in Canva, 2048 by 1152, but it has to be less than 6 megabytes, right? So 2048 by 1152. So I'm just going to adjust this size to match that. Let's say 2048. Oh, 20. No, what? 2000? Oh my god. 2048, yeah. Pretty much exactly what I was saying. 2048 by 1152. Okay, that'll jump it small. We're going to save that and upload. And then pick that file and upload it. You can drag across where you want that middle to be. View all available devices. You can see what it's going to look like on a different screen. So this one looks like on a TV. This one looks like on a desktop. And all devices. It doesn't look like it's in the middle, does it? But all right, let's just save that. So now if we publish that, we have been able to edit the profile, the little logo in the corner, and now when we refresh this, we've put on the channel art. Right, now let's get some links up here, and what I recommend is put in something that says subscribe first. So again, if you click here, customize channel, close some others. And this one is basic information. So you can put your channel description, channel information, edit any languages. But what we're here for is this, add a link. And these are going to be the 5 boxes. It's going to show 5, but you can have more. I'm going to put this one, YouTube, subscribe. It's free, right? And I'm going to paste that URL for my channel. Get rid of that / put a question mark, sub, underscore, confirmation equals 1. That'll pop up a little box that's saying subscribe. Do you want to subscribe? I'll show you in a bit. Facebook. I'm going to put Facebook here. And facebook.com / Happy Me Music. And I haven't got any other things other than maybe contact. I'll put the contact PNUK. Contact. In fact, it's actually good now because you didn't used to be able to move these about. Let's put website. because by the time this goes out, there will be a website. So put website as happymemusic.com. Drag this one up to, I'm going to put it second because probably I'd rather people be on the website than Facebook. Link on banners. First 5 links. So we're going to show the first 5. There's only 4 anyway. And any email address you want people to use. Publish that. Now when we go to our page, in the right hand corner here, we're going to have our links, link to our website, link to Facebook, the contact button, and then this button here should open. It won't do it for the person who's subscribed. Let's go. My other channel, Paul versus the World. And let me, go away, these little buttons. Let me unsubscribe. And refresh just to show you what that little question mark confirmation equals. Oh, I've spelt it wrong. That's why, isn't it? Oh my. Sorry about that. This is the final part though. You don't have to do this. I've proved it worked. Somebody came in. It probably put me off. Customise channel. I spelt confirmation wrong, didn't I? Basic info. Let's go here. Confirmation equals 1. Publish. Maybe it will show then for you. There you see. It's this little square box that I wanted to pop up. So now when I go back to my channel that I've just unsubscribed from, here we go. There's the box. If you come to the Happy Me Music channel, press that, or you share that link, it'll pop up a little box saying subscribe. Subscribe, and then that is your channel set up. So now it's really easy to edit your channel, edit your information. It was always a little bit complicated to do it before. You had to do it in a few different places. And if you're only on a mobile and you're only ever looking at mobile, you won't probably understand that this is happening on a computer, that you see all these different options. So it's worth spending a little time and changing your homepage for the new visitors, for anybody who's brand new to your channel, recording a trailer, 30 seconds to a minute, tell them exactly what it's about, maybe adding featured content, and then whatever you want to do to spruce up the options on your homepage, right? Because this tells the story of your channel. So I hope that helped. I just thought I'd throw this together. I saw that they updated the how to do it and they made it a lot easier. So I thought I'd throw together a quick how-to. Sort of just give your channel a little bit extra into it. Any questions, you know where I am. And if we can help out, come and visit Happy Me Music. If you are a YouTube content creator, there will be a lot of content, a lot of music on there that you can use in your creations. And there'll be some download links to go and get that music and show you what you got to do to get it. Any questions, you know where I am. Thanks for watching. And, of course, if you got any value out of this, a subscribe on Paul Nicholson, my main channel, would be great, or even all of them. Cheers.